cover the mathematics classes. Guru Bhyo Namaha. In this video, I am going to explain you about fourth compound statement, which is called biconditional statement. So the lesson is biconditional statement. Biconditional statement. It's very simple. It is. Let me explain. Suppose P and Q are two statements. Take P as antecedent and Q as a consequence. Their conditional statement will be P implies Q. So P implies Q is a conditional statement of P and Q. Next time you take Q as antecedent, P as a consequence, then their conditional statement is P implies Q. P implies Q is conditional statement of P and Q. Q implies P is conditional statement of Q and Q. Now, just consider their conjunction. Then this whole compound statement is called biconditional statement of P and Q. So, biconditional statement is nothing but conjunction of P implies Q and Q implies P. Let P and Q are two simple statements. Biconditional statement. Biconditional statement is the compound statement obtained by joining P, Q by the connected if and only if. Only if. Denoted by first P implies Q, then Q implies P. P implies Q and Q implies P. How do you read as? Read as P implies and implied by Q. P implies and implied by Q are very simple. P double F Q. That's all. Double F means implies implied by Q. Either this or this. P if Q or P implies and implied by Q. Now I am going to discuss about truth value of this biconditional statement. I told you in the beginning, biconditional statement is the conjunction of two conditional statements. Based on that, I am going to the truth value. Biconditional statement easy. Conjunction of P implies Q and Q implies Q. P implies Q, Q implies P. Therefore, P implies and implied by Q is nothing but P implies Q and Q implies P. How do you develop truth table? If you know the truth values of P and Q, we can find the truth value of P implies Q as well as Q implies P, then their conjunction. So let me write the truth table. Truth table of P implied and implied by Q. So this is first P, this is Q. Next I go for P implies Q, then I go for Q implies P. Finally, P implies Q and Q implies P is same as P implies and implied by Q. First, let us write the combinations of all truth values of P and Q. First P, both are true. First one is true, next one is false, next to false, next to true, and finally both are false. Let me write the truth value of each column based on the truth values of P and Q. P, Q, both are true. Therefore, P implies Q is true. True implies F is false. False implies true is true. False implies false is equal to true. We have learned this in conditional statement. Now come to Q implies P. Q implies P. Q, true implies true is true. False implies true is true. True implies false is false. False implies false is true. So, this is also. Next come to the last part. This is P implies Q and Q implies P. You treat this as one simple statement. This is another simple statement. Based on these two truth values, we are going to fill this. First of all, P implies Q is true. Q implies P is true. Therefore, their conjunction is true. Next one, false implies true. False and true. The conjunction of false and true is false. Next one, true and false is also false. Finally, true and true is true. So, if you observe carefully, the biconditional statement is true when the both statements are true. That means true and true, biconditional statement is true. False and false, biconditional statement is true. The remaining cases is a false. This is a truth table. So, truth table of biconditional statement is obtained by truth values of Pm plus Q and Q plus P. Please take it. Let me quickly write the truth values or truth tables of all four compound statements one by one. First one, conjunction. Conjunction denoted by P and Q. The truth table is first P, Q, P and Q, Q and P. So this is true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. This is true, false, 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 true, false, false, false. I am quickly recalling all the truth values of 4 compound statements. Next one, disjunction. This is P or Q. P, Q, P or Q, Q or P. Both are true, true and false, false and true, false and false. P or Q is true. If one of them is true, their disjunction is true. So this is also true, but here is false. Same thing is also true, true, sorry. Yeah, true and false. This is the disjunction, truth and dare. Quickly, let me write the truth table for conditional statement also. Conditional statement also. Fourth one, conditional statement. Condition, that is P implies Q. So first P, Q, P implies Q. True, true, true. True, false, false. False, true, true. False, false, false. This is their conditional truth table of the energy. Next one, fourth one, biconditional. Biconditional. This is P implies and implied by Q. So first one is P, Q, P implies and implied by Q. This is both are true, true and false, false and true, both are false. In this case, this is true, this is false, false and true. So this is the overall truth table of 4 compound